Hi Robbie, this is Shannon with Classy and Sassy Digital Marketing. Thank you for taking the time to watch this quick little video with some tips and tricks on how to rank on Google. So I wanted to go over just a couple of things. This is your website, great modern looking website. Google does like to see anywhere from 2,000 to 2,500 words for content, and in those content they like to see some keywords, organic keywords. So I went ahead and pulled up your site on another site that we called Ahrefs. This is a great site to use to look and see how your website's doing and compare it with your competitors. As you can see, you have 54 backlinks, 6 referring domains, and 0 organic keywords. So to rank on Google, you definitely want those organic keywords up. Went ahead and pulled up one of your competitor sites. They do have a modern looking site. Wanted to point out pictures can be considered content as well, as long as they are saved, labeled, and applied correctly. I pulled theirs up on Ahrefs as well. As you can see, they have a ton of backlinks. One thing with backlinks is not all backlinks are created equal. Google likes to see quality versus quantity. Quite a bit of organic keywords that they have. As you can see, they've got some national ranking keywords. Some people are searching for them in particular. Furnace noise. They have lots of national keywords, nothing too much for in the area. And I pulled up another website, video. Again, video can be considered content as long as it's applied and saved correctly. As you can see, they have tons of backlinks too, tons of organic keywords. They do have some national ranking keywords, like how does a heat pump work, with a volume of 7,200 searches a month. Some people are searching for them in particular. HVAC services near me. As you can see, it's a national keyword, but it has 1,000 searches a month. Air conditioning repair, Roswell. If you do service that area, this is a great one to have. As you can see, there's 200 searches a month, and the keyword difficulty is 0. So I wanted to point out some things on Google. Up here is where the ads are. So if you're interested in placing ads, this is where you will see your ads. This right here is what we call the map pack. The map pack is definitely where you want to aim for. Potential customers are going to call the first 2 to 3 services that they see, and that in return can transfer into clients for you. Down here is the organic ranking. Again, you want to be down here on the organic ranking, so you're on the first page. You will be driving volume to your website. In return, creates more customers for you. A great way to rank on Google as well is citations. Now with citations, all that is your business name, number, and phone number, and it's linked to several different sites. Again, you want quality sites for those linking, and that'll drive customers to your website as well, and then in return will create more business for you. I hope you found this video very helpful and gave you some tips and tricks you can utilize yourself. If you don't mind, please send me a quick review letting me know what you found helpful and how I can do better. I want to make sure I'm providing value to potential customers and small businesses that they can utilize themselves. Thank you so much.